Well, today wasn't that bad of a day. We ended up getting to the low 50s. We had a little bit of sunshine, and that trend is going to continue into your Wednesday. Here's a look at your morning forecast. Not too bad in the morning. In fact, by 11 a.m., we'll already be at 44 degrees. So we'll have a slight little warm up throughout the day. Here's a look at your highs for tomorrow. 50 degrees here in the metro Memphis area, around 48 in Dyersburg, pretty much 50 degrees all across the Mid-South. The difference between today and tomorrow, we'll have a little bit more of cloud cover as we prepare for that Arctic blast that's headed our way. Here's a look at your planner for your Wednesday. 37 degrees in the morning around 9 a.m. We'll warm up slowly but surely. We'll end up getting to 50 degrees around 3 p.m. tomorrow, and then we'll be back into the 40s by 9 o'clock. Let's talk about Thursday. That is the big day this week. There is a wind chill watch already in effect for Thursday evening going into your Friday. It could feel anywhere between -10 and -20 degrees all across the Mid-South. Let's time it out. Let's take a look at our updated models. It looks like still Thursday morning will still be dry. We won't see any rain till like afternoon, and then we'll start to see that rain kind of transition into snow. So that's what that pink is on your screen, and we'll start to see temperatures really start to fall. You can see at 2 p.m. already 23 degrees. So they're going to fall really fast. In fact, highs could get to the low 50s, and then we'll start to see things really changing over very fast. By Thursday at 7 p.m., the event looks to be over, which is good. That means it is a fast moving event, and we're not anticipating any huge accumulations, but the temperatures dropping that fast is very, very dangerous. In fact, 15 degrees by 7 o'clock on Thursday. So it is going to be very, very cold. And Friday, we're just not going to warm up much at all. Here's another look at another model, still showing that Thursday being a little bit dry in the morning. And then we'll see that rain to snow mix coming and much colder temperatures coming behind that. Your Saturday and Sunday, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, both looking very, very cold with highs into the 20s all across the Mid-South. Here's a look at our winter storm impact index for Friday. It is a blue, which is limited. So we're expecting some limited impact with our accumulations and with the temperatures dropping so fast. And here's a look at your wind chills. It's going to be very brutally cold. In fact, by 11 p.m., it could feel like -5 degrees. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 52 degrees for your Thursday, but things are going to fall very fast. And for Friday, we're looking at highs near 16 degrees. Christmas Eve and Christmas Day into the 20s. And finally, we'll be back to the 40s by Tuesday of next week, Pepper.